Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Tech. In the last video, we learned about variables and int keyword in Java. In this video, we are going to understand something more important, data types in Java. In Java, we have two types of categories. One is primitive data type and another one is non-primitive data type. Primitive data type means Java gives us some basic data types. And what is non-primitive data type? Non-primitive data type means we need to create our own data type. In this video, we will learn about primitive data type. First, we understand what the data type is. Data types is used to which type of data you want to store in a variable. In simply, the data type is decides which type of data we can store in the variable. For example, if you want to store your numbers, we will use one data type. And if you want to store letters, you can use another data type. Now let's see some data types. First one is int. Int age equal to 20. 20. Integer only stores the numbers. In the last video, we will learn about int. If you don't watch, please watch that and come back here. Now let's see second data type, that is float. Float. Yeah, I'm creating variable price. Sorry, price one. Float data type stores the decimal values like 4.1345 F. And to store the decimal values, we have another data type, that is double. I am giving variable name price2 equal to 4.810. In Java, we have two data types to store the decimal values. Why like that? Because float stores approximate value, but double stores exact value. You can observe here why I wrote the f at the end of the value, because while we are storing the decimal value in float, if you don't write the f in the end of the value, the Java treat like as double. That's why we mentioned f. If you write the f at the end of the value, Java treat like this. This is a float value. That's why we need to write the f. Sorry. Another data type is char. I think char grade. This char data type is used to store the character. We all know what the characters A, B, C. These all are characters. It stores only a single character within a single quote. And next one is boolean. Boolean is Java. Easy. Yeah. The boolean stores either only true or false. Is Java easy? True. Or false. Yeah, the boolean stores only to either true or false. Now we can print the values using system.out.println. Yeah, we can run this now. We can see here age is 20 and price one. This is int value and this is float and this is a double value and this is a character and this is boolean value. You can see here in float and double I am storing exact value, but in the output you can see float prints the only approximate value, but double prints the exact value what we store. That's why we use two data types to store the decimal values. If you found this explanation was clear, please like the video, subscribe the channel, and keep learning with us. And see you in the next video.